Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Romella and in today's video I am going to do a Nykaa slash Myntra haul for you guys. I shopped for a lot of stuff recently from Nykaa and Myntra. These include skincare and makeup products. And all of these arrived in a span of 2 weeks. The last product arrived today, so I thought of shooting this video today itself. So if you guys want to know what I got, then please keep on watching. First, I am going to show all the skincare products that I got, and then we'll move on to the makeup products. The first product I have here is this Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream. This has SPF 40 in it, so this is perfect to wear in the daytime. Since I am into chemical exfoliating recently, I have to wear an SPF even when I'm indoors, so that is why I got this product. So far so good, I am liking it. This does leave a slight whitish cast on the face, but that disappears in like 5 minutes, so it wasn't an issue for me. Also, this retails for 200 rupees, so I think it's very affordable. The next product I have here is the Dot & Key 5% AHA toner. This is how the bottle looks like. I really love the cute packaging of this one. I have been trying out this toner for the past 1 week, actually maybe 10 days, for the past 10 days. Earlier I used to use this on alternate days, but since the past 3 days I am using this every night, and I can see a visible difference. I can see a 10% difference. I have to test this product out for at least a month. So the next product I have here is again from Dot & Key. It is the Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. Again, I love the cute packaging. This is a hyaluronic acid serum, and since I am from the dry skin type, hyaluronic acid is very important to hydrate the skin, so that is why I am giving this a try. I use this after I use the toner, and then follow it up with a moisturizer, which I will show you next. So the moisturizer that I have here is the Cetaphil Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is how the packaging looks like. This is an amazing hydrating lotion. I've heard a lot of good things about Cetaphil. I tried the cleanser, but it was so mild that I felt like it didn't clean my face enough, so I stopped using that. But now that I'm trying the hydrating lotion, I am in love with it. This hydrates my skin a lot, and it does not give that sticky feeling. And when I wake up in the morning after putting all this, I wake up with a really supple skin. Product I have here is the skincare product is this Gillette Venus Breeze. This is how the packaging looks like. It is the Gillette razor. I haven't opened this one, so this is how the inside looks like. Drop that. This is the handle, and this is a blade right here. So this is how the product looks like. I hope you guys can see it. So those were all the skincare products that I got. I am in love with all these skincare products. There's nothing bad to say about any. Moving on to the makeup products, I have a lot of stuff that I have in this basket right here. I am so excited to show you guys. The first product that I was the most excited about while doing this shopping is this Makeup Revolution into Rachel Larry palette right here. This is a beautiful palette, but when I got this palette, this is how the palette looks like. It is a beautiful palette, but as you guys can see, the brown shade right here came in broken, and that was really disappointing. I got this from Myntra, and the Myntra guy just threw the parcel inside of the gate, and I think that is when the product broke. Second product I have here is again a palette from Makeup Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded a Red Alert palette. This is how the palette looks like. These are all the shades that come in. It does not come in with a mirror, but I am really loving the pinks and the purples and the champagne-y tones. This is like a really versatile palette, and you can create a lot of looks using this palette. So again, I will leave all the prices and the links in the description box below. I think this was for around $750. This is for $950, but I got it on some discount. Another product I have here again is an eyeshadow palette. I have used this in my previous tutorial that will be up. I think that has already gone up. So yeah, this is the Fortune Favors the Brave palette again from Makeup Revolution. I got one shade broken in this as well, but that wasn't in pieces like the other palette. It was just, I just dropped the brush. So this is how the palette looks like. Very beautiful shades for everyday wear, and you can create a lot of eyeshadow looks using these. So those were all the palettes that I got. Moving on to the eye products. So what I have here is 3 eyelashes. One is from a pack and 2 are from a Nykaa. So this is a pack eyelashes. It is a pack mink eyelashes, and they look pretty good, but I haven't tried this one yet. So we'll try this super soon. The other 2 eyelashes I got are from a Nykaa. This is the Nykaa OTT Drama lashes, and the other one that I got is this Turn Up the Drama lashes. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I really like this, but there was one problem that the glue that came in with these eyelashes got completely dried up. So in my previous tutorial, I wanted to put these lashes on, but the glue was completely dried up, so I could not do that. So I called for an eyelash glue, and this one is the Lash Fixer from Pack. So this is how the product looks like. I tried this today while applying the lashes, and this is an amazing eyelash glue. Also, this retails for $3.95, and I think I'm not sure about yes, 5 ml. So you get 5 ml of product, which is like a lot, and it is going to last a long time. So the next eye product I have here is this eyelash curler. I got this eyelash curler from Vega. It was super inexpensive. It was just for 210 rupees, and this is such an amazing eyelash curler. I just have to curl my lashes once, and they become super curly and uplifted. So I really love this eyelash curler. Another product I have here is this Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. I haven't tried this product out yet, but I am all about the glow. I love a good glowing skin, so that is why I got this. I will definitely use this in one of my makeup tutorials that I post, and yeah, that is that. This is how the product looks like. So the next product I have here is this Pack Micro Finish Makeup Fixer Spray. So this is how it looks like. This retails for around 925. Yeah, it retails for 925 rupees, and it is a 120 ml bottle. So this is going to last you a very long time. Also, this really melts the makeup well, and it makes your makeup look nice and seamless. So out of all the makeup fixing sprays that I've tried so far, this is my favorite. Another eye product I have here is the good old Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. I used to use this mascara all the time, and then I switched to other mascaras. A few other mascaras from Maybelline, the Lash Sensational one, and then I got the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, but nothing comes close to this one. This is super inexpensive and so good. I did not like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise as well. I heard a lot of good reviews about it, but it didn't do much to my lashes. This one works really well for me. So anyone who's a beginner and wants to get their hands on a mascara, I would highly recommend this one. It retails for around 350 rupees only, and it is it looks really amazing on the lashes. So the next product I have here, this is the second last product in the haul, and it is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. This is how the packaging looks like. I am in the shade 320 Sun Beige. This is a little bit, not one shade, but a little bit lighter for my skin. So what I do is I mix it with another foundation that is a little bit dark for me, and this is what I have applied on my face today, and I think the coverage and the finish, all of that is pretty good. I am loving this foundation so far. I will test it out for a few more times and see how this works, but for first impressions, I really like this one. So finally, the last product I have in this haul is again the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is how the lipstick looks like. This is in the shade 15 Lover. From the looks of it, I thought this would be a nice pinky, a rosy nude, mauve nude kind of shade. But when I got this and swatched it, I did not like it. Did wash me out a little bit. This is what I have applied. It is very thick as well. I don't know, I don't really like this. This is what I have applied on my lips, but I did mix it with another lipstick. This is how the shade looks like. I had to mix it with the Color Bar Hot Latte, so I mixed both the lipsticks, and this is the shade I got today. Also, I created this look using all these products. I used the Rachel Larry and the Makeup Revolution, the Red Alert palette, to create this eye look. So that is it for the video, guys. Those were all the products that I got, and I'm super excited to create different looks using all these products. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want a detailed review about any of these products, and I will leave the links in the description box below in case you guys are interested in buying any of these products as well. So that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Bye.